Ever wonder what it's like to taste a meal in a cup? Meet Cupbap, the Korean sensation taking the world by storm. It's a delightful concoction of flavors and textures, all neatly packaged into a single cup. Born from the bustling street food culture of Korea, Cupbap is quickly spreading its culinary charm across the globe. Why, you ask? Its convenience, affordability, and versatility make it a gastronomic hit. Now you may ask, what's in a Cupbap and how do we make it? Stick around to find out. Cupbap, as the name suggests, is a meal served in a cup. But what's inside this delightful package? Let's unravel the mystery together. At its core, Cupbap is a harmonious blend of humble yet hearty ingredients. The first of these is rice, the proverbial canvas upon which the rest of our Cupbap masterpiece will be painted. Next, we have a vibrant array of vegetables. From crunchy carrots to tangy kimchi, the options are as diverse as they are delicious. And the beauty of Cupbap lies in its adaptability. Whether you're a fan of spicy peppers or prefer the subtlety of sautéed mushrooms, you can tailor your vegetable medley to match your palate. The final touch to our Cupbap is the protein. Chicken, beef, tofu, or even a perfectly cooked egg. The choice is yours. Each lends its unique flavor and texture, completing the Cupbap ensemble. With these ingredients at hand, we're ready to dive into the magic of creating our very own Cupbap. So, how do we transform these simple ingredients into a mouth-watering meal? Well, you're about to find out. The magic of Cupbap lies in its assembly. The first layer is the backbone of this dish, the warm, fluffy rice that serves as the perfect base. This isn't just any rice, it's steamed to perfection, each grain separate yet cohesive, ready to absorb the medley of flavors above. Next, we add our protein. Whether it's tender chicken, juicy beef, or succulent shrimp, it's cooked just right, marinated in a blend of spices that make your taste buds dance. Then we introduce a riot of colorful vegetables, each one bringing its unique texture and taste to the party. Finally, the piece de resistance, the sauce. It's a flavorful concoction that is generously drizzled over the top, seeping into every layer, binding all the ingredients together. And voila, you've got yourself a Cupbap. Simple, isn't it? So, what have we learned about Cupbap today? We've journeyed from the origins of this delightful dish, rooted in the hustle and bustle of Korean street food culture. We've marveled at its flexibility, embracing a plethora of ingredients from vegetables to meats tailored to your taste. And we've seen the simplicity of its preparation, a quick yet fulfilling culinary experience. The next time you're looking for a quick, versatile, and delicious meal, remember Cupbap. It's more than just a meal in a cup, it's a culinary adventure.